Exercise 3, Joe Cerrone, Basic Solidworks. Today we're going to go ahead and model this part right here. We're going to set the units for millimeters and we'll begin. Start with new part. I'm going to clear that swatch, set the units for millimeters, go to sketch, start a sketch on the front plane. And I'm going to start by looking at this geometry, and it's a symmetrical part. So we're going to drive a center line or construction line from the origin straight up, and then we'll draw half of it and mirror it, and then we'll add the dimensions. Center line, wake up the origin, drive that up. The part's about 35 millimeters, so we'll just say about there. And then we'll go through and create the geometry. As I sketch, I try to look at the drawing of the part and then make the numbers approximately to what those dimensions are. It just keeps it from warping or doing any sort of big changes. So that's the basic shape of the part. And we're going to mirror it. When I do the mirror command, I'll drag the box from left to right. And I tried to get it so it wouldn't get the center line, but I got it anyway. So I can remove the center line. If I click on it, you'll see it's right there. And I'll delete it. And then I'll mirror it about that center line. I'll start adding the dimensions. And you'll notice that as you add the dimensions on the left side, the right side updates, again, because we mirrored it, and it has a symmetrical relationship. And see, this is what I mean by when I say it kind of starts to warp. Now, you can bail out of the Smart Dimension command, and then you can just grab these blue lines by left mouse clicking on them and just move them. As long as they're blue, they're not constrained, or they're not locked in. And so everything is black. The part is fully defined. So we can then go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. And I like to do these mid-plane. You can grab this little rocket. If you want to have an even number here, we could say 30. green check mark. Let's make it look nice. It defaults to the features, and so you can color different features. I'm just going to clear the selection, select the part from the main tree, and we'll save that as exercise 3. And that completes this video.